welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. Very excited. I have an announcement for you all in this Facebook group. Guess what? I've received your Facebook message. For those of you who have written to me, you wanted me to create more video on how you can edit from other apps. Guess what? This is for you. I'm going to update the iPhoneography class. So it's going to incorporate a new section that will show you how you can edit on Lightroom and Photoshop. This is going to be advanced editing for your smartphone photography. So I'm so excited. And for those of you who are already in the class and you're excited as I am, guess what? This is really for you. This is for you. And I'm so excited to really create this for you. And thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your message that you've written to me. I just wanted to say to you that I've heard you. And now I'm going to add this new section for you. This is advanced editing. So excited. And for those of you who are in the Facebook group and you're not yet in the photography class, in the iPhoneography class, guess what? This is an opportunity for you to jump right in and join us, because this section is going to be amazing. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in the class.